Hi there, Gotcha kids. Welcome back to Gotcha. Let's draw. Today, we're drawing something super slithery and sneaky. Can you guess? It's green, long, and wiggles around. Yep, it's a snake. Let's get ready to draw our new friend, Sneaky the snake. First, let's draw Sneaky's eyes. Begin with a small circle on the paper. That's his first eye. Now let's add another eye next to it by drawing a C shape. Great job! Sneaky's got two big eyes now. Next, let's make Sneaky's eyes come to life. Inside each circle, draw a little black dot. Now Sneaky can see us. From one side of the eyes, draw a big curved arch from each side of the eyes. Now join the ends of the arch with a gentle curved line underneath. And there we have it. That's the shape of Sneaky's head. Let's give our snake a tongue. Right in the middle, where we joined the head, draw a little line coming out for the tongue. Then add two tiny lines at the tip. Look at that, Sneaky's got a little flickering tongue. Next, we'll draw his neck. Start from the bottom of the head and draw a slanted line going down, like this. Then draw another line right beside it to make the neck. Perfect! Now let's give Sneaky his coiled up body. From the end of the neck, draw a curved line to the left, then join it with the first line we drew. Great! Now, add another curve underneath, like we're drawing a second layer of his body. And let's add one more curve below that to make him extra cozy. Something's missing. Ah, the tail! Draw a little pointy shape from here that goes upward. It looks like Sneaky is sitting all rolled up on his own body. Awesome! Now let's make him look happy. Right under his eyes, draw a little line to give him a smile. Our snake is looking super friendly now. It's coloring time. Grab your green marker or crayon and color the whole snake green. Watch him come to life as you color. And ta-da! Our adorable green snake is ready to slither away. Great job, everyone. Did you know that snakes don't have eyelids? That's right. They can't blink like us, so they always look like they're wide awake, even when they're sleeping. If you enjoyed this drawing, hit that like button and subscribe to Gotcha Let's Draw. I'd love to see your snake drawing, so don't forget to share. See you next time, Gotcha kids, and keep drawing.